Like, rather than choosing glamour roles, you wanted to do women oriented
Yes, I want to do something. Even if there's a hero, I don't mind. But the hero and the heroine has to be shown equally. I don't want to be just for a song
just
or
for
two
a song's
songs.
sake.
I don't want to be like that. I deserve better. I deserve more.
So, talking about this thriller, how comfortable are you to work with hero? Can you just describe about your hero?
Yeah, so Rock Kachi, he's also from Odisha, and he has really good body and everything,
Yeah,
which
we
is
have seen
seen
that in teaser.
Yeah, so yesterday when I saw the film, his performance, like till yesterday I was not very sure, but when I saw yesterday the whole film, I was like, wow, he's done tremendous. Like, he's done really well, and he, fits in the character so well. The guy's character, however it is, he fits perfectly well, and I think he also got the opportunity based on his body and his talent. So I wish him really good luck. I hope he gets more films.
Wow. Is there any chance to fell for him?
No, I'm very choosy. So he's like my friend. I don't think
Okay.
like that with him. He like we became buddies and we're good friends, but nothing like that because I'm very choosy about men and.
Okay.
He is like little immature, and I don't like immature men like that. He's very.
If he sees this interview,
I told him on his face also. I told him on his face. So he's he's a very nice guy, but he's like, he's like a kid, and I like really mature guys. So
Okay.
there's no chance.
So you love the real him or real him?
Reel him.
Real him. So
Sorry, Bhajan.
okay. So what are the qualities you are expecting from a man?
Uh,
Of course, kid not.
Not a kid, please. So the kind of qualities I expect is I have a really high benchmark for a guy. Yes,
Okay.
very choosy, and he has to be very intelligent. Intelligent not in terms of GK or something. Intelligent on how a person reacts on a question or how a person handles a situation, and basic intelligence.
Yeah.
Better than others. So I believe that I'm intelligent. So, at least I believe that.
Yeah, even you worked with Ajvi, so obviously Beauty with Brains will work out.
Yes, yes. So I, really want the guy to be intelligent and good dressing sense, good body. He should work out. He should be fit. Because I'm into fitness, so I cannot be with a tondwala person. I will not like it. It'll be a biggest turn off for me. So maybe abs and stuff. I like that, and good body and 6
So
feet.
whoever is 6 feet and 6 pack, come and propose you.
Yeah, you can, and also intelligent. You can. If I like you, I'll definitely say yes.
So will be a language barrier for you or not?
No. Language will never be a barrier. I think we don't speak by the language; we speak by heart.
Yeah.
I always believe that. So not a barrier.
So what I'll do is this is a fun round.
Okay,
Apsara.
I'm interested.
So I'll tell you 5 words in Telugu.
Okay.
You have to understand. Tell to me back.
Translate,
Okay, you
okay.
have to translate it.
Okay.
Andam.
Beautiful.
Wow. Baunaru.
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा.
Exactly.
Chala bagunanu means बहुत अच्छा.
Yeah.
Bagunanu means अच्छा.
Yes.
Yes.
Puvulu.
Puvulu, I don't know.
Flowers.
Okay, flowers.
Kallu.
Eyes. I know a lot of Telugu.
Yeah, seriously. Amayakatvam.
Ammai means girl.
Amayakatvam.
Ammayakatvam.
Innocence.
Okay.
Yeah, Ammai means girl.
Ammai means girl. I don't know the whole word. Yeah.
Chirunavu.
Chirinavu. I've heard this. I don't know.
Smile.
Smile. Okay.
No, almost you said 3 out of 5. Yo, congratulations.
Thank you. Finally, something worked.
So now I'll start asking you in Telugu.
Okay.
Just understand it. Otherwise, I'll translate to you in English. Okay?
Yes.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన మూవీ ఏంటి?
I mean, how many projects I'm getting, or
How many projects you did, and what was your the best project you worked for till now?
Thriller, of course, because till today I've not got that importance on screen. Because to be very honest, someone is producer's son, someone's director's son. And I'm somewhere behind. And the best part is in the thriller trailer, you can see introducing Apsara Rani. And I've never seen my name on screen before that, even though I've done whatever films. But my name was never there on screen. So I've never got this credit or this opportunity to perform. So it's definitely thriller.
So, are you a worshipper of RGV?
Actually, I'm his fan.
Fan.
Yes, a big time fan because of the kind of person he is. Because he's so honest.
Honest, yeah.
Yes, he's
I
very
agree.
honest.
Yes.
And one thing he told in the live, I told him because I trusted him, and he told, I never thought he will tell. So about the pepper spray. So first time when I went to meet in his office, I had a pepper spray in my pocket.
Okay.
So I told this to him because I trusted him, of course. After the shoot of Thriller and all, I told, sir, you know what, I got a pepper spray. He was shocked, and I didn't think obviously this is a weird thing. I never thought he will say it on live.
Yeah, we have casting couch and all people are experiencing with it. There's nothing wrong in carrying pepper spray. That's a good idea actually. Everyone should follow.
Because obviously RGV sir is such a big director, and I had doubts, because the media also says big directors, there's a Me Too, there's a casting couch. So I took a pepper spray in my pocket, and later I told him, because obviously he's not like that. He's a very nice person, and
Genuine
I think
and honest person.
yes, very genuine and very honest, and I respect him because even though he's reached to that point, he still selects people on the base of talent. He's not, he's so passionate about his work. I think he is high on his work. He works and works and
24/7 he works.
Yeah,
That's it.
yes, he works so much. I cannot work that much. Like we normal young people cannot work as much as he's working. So I respect him for his passion. He doesn't go on breaks. He has no breaks. He works out and he works on films, and I think that is the kind of passion we require. That is the first reason I'm his fan, and second reason is the kind of films he makes. Different genre. First is depends on politics. Second one is heroine oriented. Some love story, some different love story like Nishabd. And the kind of genre he plays with, it's amazing. The kind of creativity he has, I want to steal it from him.
So how many films you watched which is directed by RGV?
A lot of his films I've watched. Recently I watched Satya, Rangila.
Okay.
I've watched this one, Nishabd. I loved Nishabd. How emotional film he has done. And I literally cried. At the end of when Amitabh's dialogue. So his vision is like, another level. But a lot of people don't understand it. A lot of people do.
Yeah.
Very less people don't. So, a person is different, then people don't understand that person.
Whoever understands RGV, they won't leave him.
Yeah, whoever understands it will be his fan.
Yeah. Ramuism.
Yes.
So apart from that, what kind of films you want to choose?
So I want to choose which, so I'm a good dancer, which has of course good dancing, and I have a good body, so which includes something, for example I'm wearing a bikini or something that includes that thing also, which I look very beautiful, because I can pull off a bikini. Not everybody can wear it and be very confident. I work for it, so obviously something that includes hotness and performance, definitely. Because from RGV sir, I got this thing. He told me you are a very natural actor, very good actor. So I'm like, wow. So I want to get into scripts that have acting also. Hi, I'm Apsara Rani. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.